Guys, my cowl stud got loosened, so when I check, found out it was damaged because the wheel itself was hitting here. So I just want to show you how to remove all of them in order to install the new ones. So after doing so, I brought some new ones and came to install them. So sometimes when you install these things, when you try to tighten them up, they spin around. So you can use something like this. This is the spring eye. I just cut it off, and something like this one, and a jig lamp. So let me show you how to make it not to spin around by applying a little force in order to make it form a little grip. So here it is. So by doing so, guys, it might need more than 2 hands if you're not skillful enough, but because I get used to this, ended up making everything worse work, and I tightened the jig lamp. So make sure that the sleeve you're putting around your stud is long enough not to let it to collapse with your plate that you apply force on with the jig lamp. So as you can see here, yeah, there it is. And to put more force on it, I grabbed something that can help me to tighten the jig lamp, act as a leverage, that acts as a leverage. So you can see now. So it is forced into place, and I reverse everything back. So after then, this was successfully installed. So we need to pull it again using its own threads. So my favorite thing is something like to put something like a bearing underneath 6302 bearing, R6203 or R6302 bearing, yeah, yes. So they have a small diameter, small hole or inner hole diameter, like this one too. Work real fine. Then an impact range. So this was squeezed enough, and it was well installed. So now I remove this one. Everything was good, as you can see here. So I go to the next one. So on the next one, we're going to try it. I'm still removing more of them, even all, because so that the idea that I'm using is very good. So for removing this, guys, you see that dent behind the spindle? That's where you should align everything when you remove or installing them. So on that plate at the back of the spindle, there is a dent. So you see, you align this thing. This cut here should lead first. If you don't put that thing onto the hole, it's not gonna fit. But by turning it around, it's just going to fit nicely. So to avoid spending the whole day trying to install this one, you need to make sure that the cut is the one that goes into the hole first. So now, without using a jig lamp, is just grab on its own, and everything was forced nicely, and yeah, it was successful. So subscribe, guys.